Hey everybody, it's Stuart here, and in today's quick tutorial video, I quickly wanted to show you how you can duplicate and edit ads here in the Facebook Ads Manager. To do that, we simply need to be logged into the campaigns section of the Facebook Ads Manager, and from there, we want to click into the actual ads which we want to replicate. So we're in the ad set now. Let's go into the actual ads. And we can see there's a couple of ads live and running at the moment. Let's say we want to replicate the most successful ads based on the number of link clicks. So I've just selected the top performing ad based on engagement, and we now want to look at the duplicate button and click on that. This will allow you to choose the different options, and we want to just follow this one and duplicate it into the existing campaign and ad set. So let's click on the blue duplicate button. Now what we will see here is a copy of our ad which we have just duplicated. Nice and easy. And let's just give it a nice simple name so that we know that it is the duplicated ad. And let's say we want to make one small change to it. Let's say we want to change the image on it. Let's click on Edit Media, and let's go down to find the image that we are after. So in this example, let's say we've got one image here for the square based images, and we want to have another image for vertical, and here we go. We've now got our updated images. Let's click on next, and we want to just go with the text options that are available. Yes, we are fine with those. Click on next and click on skip and continue. And now we've got a chance to turn on Advantage Plus Creative Enhancements. Let's just leave that as it is for now. Click on done. And congratulations, you have successfully duplicated an image and made small edits to it. This is a great option if you are seeing good success with some of your ads. You're getting good engagement, you're getting a good number of leads and sales, and you want to test and see if it is the ad copy or the creative that is having the most success with it. So give that a try, and don't forget as well to hit the publish button at the end to make sure that your ad actually gets turned on. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit that like button down below. And if you want ongoing Facebook tutorials, consider subscribing to the channel. Have a fantastic day, everybody.